Привет! Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about the Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. Last time we spoke about food. If you haven't watched this video, I invite you to do it. Today we are talking about drinks. So the first word is вода. Вода. Unstressed O is A. Вода. The next one. Молоко. Молоко. Чай. Чай. Черный чай. Черный чай. Зеленый чай. Зеленый чай. Кофе. Кофе. Кофе с молоком. Кофе с молоком. Черный кофе. Черный кофе. Here I want to draw your attention that the word coffee can be used in both the masculine and neuter genders. You might hear the phrase черный кофе or черное кофе. Additionally, the word coffee is indeclinable. It means that in all forms of the singular or plural, in all cases, this word remains unchangeable. By the way, if you want to learn the Russian language with me, don't forget to sign up for my Russian Master course for beginners. Let's continue. Juice in Russian is сок. Сок. Апельсин – апельсиновый сок. Яблоко – яблочный сок. Морковь – морковный сок. И томат – томатный сок. Я не люблю, я ненавижу томатный сок. А вы? In Russian, we have been using the word fresh for a long time, even though there is a Russian phrase свежевыжатый сок. The next category – алкогольные напитки. Водка, водка, вино, вино, красное вино, красное вино, белое вино, белое вино. Шампанское, шампанское, пиво, пиво, темное пиво, темное пиво, светлое пиво, светлое пиво. The next one. Кефир, кефир. It is a fermented milk drink. It tastes like yogurt, but a little bit more sour. And the last one, квас. Квас. I always find it difficult to find the right word how to explain what it is. And I will describe to you the preparation process of kvass, and you will try to imagine what it tastes like. You need to toast some rye bread, then soak it in water with yeast and sugar, and leave it for a few days. After that, you remove the bread and keep only the liquid. That's kvass. It tastes similar to low-alcoholic beer, although people in Russia like to say that kvass is an alternative to Coca-Cola. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes. And if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.